Hello guys, welcome to my video, and in today's video I will be doing quests to complete the battle pass. So I have a plan to hit 3 birds with 1 stone, like this thing goes. Okay, so first we're gonna pick Pierce, defeat 15 enemies with Pierce, and we're gonna go into showdown, and let's complete them quests. This will be a robot, so not that interesting, but faster and easier. You will also see what I get from the legendary star drop. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so we are here. Okay, this should be an easy matchup because I'm playing with bots. Yeah, these are bots. Okay, so Carl has approached me. I don't really play Pierce. I only won one battle with him, so I'm gonna trash him, and he's only level 7. So yeah, that's not great. So we are in another match. Hope this doesn't take too long. Okay, so even though these players all have mythic rank, they still are bots, and I lost to a bot. So yeah, I'm disappointed. Please, I also missed that chance. Also, I'm recording this on December 26th. Yesterday was my birthday and Christmas. So yesterday was a really good day. I got a lot of gifts, and I'm really happy. Okay. I don't even know what to super does. Does it just spawn more of these balls or something? I actually thought that Pierce was gonna be worse when I first played him. I didn't know about it, that he can summon those thingy. So now I know that he's pretty. Yeah, so this is definitely gonna take a while. It's midday, so I still have time. Okay, let's go fight the Doug. Oh, there's also a Carl here. I barely made it. Okay, so let's. Oh no, never mind. Let's open up the box, but I can't really because look who's here. I'm also sick right now, so that's why I might be so quiet, but I will enhance the volume. Man, I probably shouldn't be making content right now, but I'm making this for fun, not a professional YouTuber, so that doesn't really matter. Rosa, chill. I killed her while she's about to, I guess. Okay, nice, that wasn't too hard. Okay, so we're in another match. Okay, so there is a shade over here. So we didn't go towards the I'm lagging. Nice. Oh no, I'm not lagging. Man, when that bot's causing attacks, it looks so weird. It's like it looks like you are lagging, but you're not. I feel like the game is actually reviving the hate is dying out. And I feel like there is more content. I know I don't really watch a lot of YouTube and stuff. I usually watch how's this called? TikTok. Yeah. Hope I don't get copyright striked for saying that word. Something. No one's even gonna see this. Who's gonna copyright? Oh wow, this is actually going faster. I only need to kill 3 more enemies and win 3 more battles. Faster than I thought. Okay. forget to record previously, but I didn't forget to record a whole match. This is the match after that, so you all didn't miss out on it. So okay, let's get these power cubes. Okay, I wasn't recording, but I just killed a Cordelius, and Griff killed Doug, and Doug killed Griff, so yeah, I guess 2-1 wins it is. Okay, so this is the last game. Okay, let's try to get first place this time. I also really don't like that I don't have a microphone, so I just have to use my headphones. It's not really comfortable, especially for my ears. And instead of first place, we got 7th place. So we gotta replay again. So we're in another match. This video has been going for 6 minutes, longer than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, I'm trying to kill this Hank. Since what do those balls go to power cubes? Like previous matches, I tried to make them go to the boxes, but they didn't work. I don't know. Look. But now it does. So what? I don't really understand this brawl all that much. Okay. GTA 5 coming here. Nice, I got him out. Okay, let's look for someone else. Oh. Nice. We won. Okay, nice. We won. Nice, bro. Nice. Okay, so we will be opening the legendary star drop now. I'm also real close to getting Kaze. Okay, let's open that up. I'm so nervous. Please be a legendary brawler. Please no skin. No star power, no gadget. Please a brawler. Obviously, I don't even use her. Bro, it was not worth it. This was not worth it at all. Man, the chaos rep is so far away. Oh, not that far. 143 trophies away. So that's all for this video. See you next time.